Hey, Micromap here, bringing you a longer YouTube video, not a short, just a regular video on today's action, what I saw out there in the stock market bloodbath. Jumping in the pool here, trying to loosen up the back. Man, I don't know if I suffer from fibromyalgia or myofasciia or whatever you call it, man, but got all these kind of body pains. Guess it happens when you get older. Got a good guy coming on Friday, do deep tissue massage. Hopefully I feel better. Need to feel better so I could start lifting some weights and get healthy. On the weight front, stuck at 243, but hey, at least I'm not gaining weight. And I'm able to walk, I'm doing about 5 miles a day. I did a couple this morning, and now taking the kiddo to practice in a few here after this video. Gotta take a quick shower and head out. And then walk a couple miles while she practices. And tomorrow, everybody back to school, back to school. Remember Billy Madison? Freaking Adam Sandler. That guy's a character. I love that guy. That guy's funny. I send my kid those videos. Back to school, back to school. But yeah, they go back to school tomorrow and wake up at 6:30 now to take her to school. She just turned 16. She doesn't have her driver license yet or learning permit, which I'm glad. I don't even give a crap if she drives or not. I don't have to pay for car insurance. I did buy her a car, but it's parked there. I have to do the transfer, and I haven't even put insurance on it. I don't even have a tag or anything on it. I bought a 2013 Honda Pilot. It's bigger than my Kia Sportage. Man, talking about maintenance on cars, I took my car. I have a demo, and that's why I do all these videos. Actually, I'm driving a Kia. I think it's a Kia. I don't even know what kind of Kia it is. It's a gas car. Kia K5. I think it's a K5. I'll do a YouTube show when I take the kiddo to soccer, so you can see it's a pretty cool car. I got it with like a full tank, and it had like 425 miles to empty. So I was like, wow, yeah, I'm taking this one. They wanted us to drive electric cars for a while. And the summer's over, so they're going to be swimming in cars there. And I'll be able to pick some more gas cars. I don't like these electric cars, man. Especially a Tesla Model 3. That thing's doo-doo. That battery life is horrible. That thing weighs more than a regular car. Out of the ones that I've driven, I must say the best one, in my opinion, is the Polestar. Very loyal. The battery is good. Strong car. Volvo makes a strong car always. And then the Kia Niro, and I like that Kia EV6 too. Not bad, but out of all those cars, even the Chevy Bolt or Volt, no, Volt is the old one. This one's the Bolt. It's better than that Tesla Model 3. Tesla Model 3 is fast, I give it that. But besides that, I don't like it. I don't like it. Sorry, don't like it. They had to cut prices in China. Stock's almost at 225. It's gone down a lot. I added a little bit because they are a monster, and Elon has tricks up his sleeve, and I'm sure he said he's gonna have autonomous cars within a year, so we'll see. And they make money, so they are the leader. Okay, so I did call my 401k today, and I said enough's enough. Enough's enough. All the indexes, I know. I even I called the Fidelity, and I told the guy, the customer service rep. I was like, I know you can't time the market. I know, sir. You can't time the market. But you know what? I'm happy with my 10% this year. And all the indexes are under the moving averages. And interest rates are climbing. And I can move my money into a short-term investment safe fund that gives me 5% plus percent. I moved everything today. I said enough's enough. I'm happy with my gains. I don't want to give it up. I'm 47. And every day on this earth is a year on borrowed time. Live every day like it's your last day. And I'm in tune with the markets. I don't give a shit what they say. These people like to run up the market, and then they take your money. They drop it and they take your money. So I don't want to do that. And anyways, I like to do the options, which I'm pretty savvy at. And I can make more with less and risk less money out there and have exposure. And I can also do the futures. So I moved everything today to money market, which as of 7:31 was yielding over 5%. So I think that's the best bet. The 10-year was at 4.25, and the short end of the, we'll take a look at what the bonds are. The short end, the short T-bills, they're paying over 5%. So why even risk it? If average returns in the stock market are probably 8%, more or less, I don't know. I don't see much room to the upside here. The Fed's talking about even tightening more. I don't know. I'd rather be safe. That's me. Call me whatever. If you want to time the market, I know Warren Buffett says it. I don't care. He's buying Lennar, and you look at some of his picks in the past, and they haven't been that great. He sold the airlines. I mean, he's the greatest investor of all time, and he's filthy rich, whatever. But he sold the airlines at the wrong time. I don't think he did good with IBM. He's been just buying Apple, which is, whatever. Everybody does. Is the biggest part of the S&P 500. What else? Now he's buying home builders. I don't know. Maybe it's his crew. I don't know. Maybe it's his people. Whatever. I don't give a shit. You don't pay my mortgage, whatever. So, did that and that. Okay, so the markets. So yeah, the markets crossed the moving averages, and I warned us. I warned the subscribers. I warned everybody in the channel that it didn't look good. I came in short deltas today. It was another update today on the personal accounts, and I'm up year to date on the personal accounts, and I'm still a little bit short because I think there's more pain ahead. I think. I don't think the economy's firing on all cylinders. You got inflation. You got these companies. I don't know. Chime in if you guys are doing awesome. I mean, I'm definitely on par to make less from last year. But whatever. I'm in sales, so some years are better than others. It's just the way it is. Damn, I'm out of coconut water. So yeah, on the trade front today, I was busy as crap. I don't even know how many trades I did today. I did put trades on. I moved the 401k money to safe, and then I put I raised some cash, and then I put some new trades on, and whatever, moving the money. Let me see. These are closed, and everything closed pretty much on the low of the day. S&P. The low of the day was 44.17. It closed at 44.19. NASDAQ low of the day was 14.921. It closed at 14.937. So really no big bounce. All red everywhere. The VIX closed unchanged. Interesting. And go here. 10-year 4.25. Bitcoin. I don't even have any Beetle or Ethereum. I sold all that crap. I got everything. I think you're gonna see a pan sell off. Everything's gonna sell off, and then you might see VIX go up, and it looks like yields are going up, which means they're selling bonds. Gold down 13, 1922. What does silver do? Silver down to 22.50. The grains were green. I have a couple put credit spreads in grains. On the trade front, let's see. Orders filled. I was busy, man. I did today a lot of, I did some trades here, and I did some trades in the other one. I'm only doing options trades here, and the tasty work, I'm just adding stock here and there. So I sold short a couple of futures on basically all the indexes. I closed my Wayfair for a little profit after rolling many times. I shorted Walmart. I went long Wolf, which is getting crushed in the after hours, which I sold the put credit spread. I sold the put credit spread in Dish. I shorted D-Local. I went long Discover credit card via put credit spread. Put credit spread and Coherent, which got clobbered. Put credit spread and Riot. Put credit spread and JD. Closed XOP short for 50% profit. Went long Meta with put credit spread. Baba put credit spread. More futures they're trading. Tesla put credit spread. Pinterest was in the news on rumors of being taken over by Amazon. So I did a calendar for $1.07, $107 that'll get to 30. I sold the September 15, 30 days away, and I bought the November, which I think is like maybe 90. I did a put credit spread in Amazon, so I did get along some of these big cap names, big tech names. Qs, I closed a short, closed some positions in KWeb, Clean, XRLE, XOB, KRE, Ethereum, and shorted Home Depot. Was it a short? Yeah, shorted Home Depot and more futures trades. So yeah, pretty busy day on the trade front. And then the other account was just added some stocks. I added Chewy, Albemarle, the miner, the lithium miner. That was pretty much it. And then I trimmed United Rentals, whatever was green at the beginning of the day. Well, nothing was green. There were a couple that green. The only ones that I've left there are Eli Lilly and Novo with the weight loss stuff. I like those two names big time. Maybe they drop more, I'll do pick up more shares there for the long term. But yeah, be cautious. The market definitely under pressure here, and we might have a correction here. I don't know how deep it'll be, but I can see we're gonna have one. It's looking pretty ugly out there. And the Big Short put $1 billion bet on the shorts. That's pretty much it. Let me see what else was on the news. Oh, let's take a look what I was saying. There's not much earnings. We had Cisco after the bell. They were down. Wolf after the bell was down. Oh, wow, look at this. Aldi to acquire Winn-Dixie. That was in the afternoon, after market, I guess. I don't have... Federal judge asked if Elon Musk was trying to cozy up to Trump. Federal officials see upside risk to inflation, leading to more rate hikes. So that's what happened. That everybody, the market sold off. They don't have any news on the after hours. I don't see here. Maybe if I go to markets. No. Oh, we can look at the bonds. So talking about the short term, 1 month Treasury 536, 2 month Treasury 540, 3 month 545, 6 month 550, 1 year 537, 2 year 496, and as you get deeper on the curve, on the bond market, the deeper you get, the less interest rate you get. That's why they call it inverted yield curve, which signals recession always. It's never failed. Let me see here. No, let me see news. Top news. No, they don't have anything on the after hour movers. That's pretty much it. I'll do some more videos later tonight. I gotta get ready to take the kid.
Take the kiddo to the practice. And there's the pilot. Can you see the Honda pilot? In the backyard. Got a leaf falling on it. Gotta buy a cover on it. But anyways, be safe. I'll see you on the next one. Share, subscribe, and I'll do some more videos like I can later tonight. If not, see you tomorrow. Be safe. Bye bye.